Okay. So what is the doubt, Venkatesh? It's not curd, it is crud. Okay. So tell me, what is the doubt? Venkatesh Gowda. Okay, I unmuted you. Tell. You unmute yourself, you can ask the doubt.
Hello, sir.
Venkatesh. Yeah.
Sir, yesterday you done read up until updation.
Yeah.
Execute once again, sir.
See, at that moment only you should ask, okay? Again, if I execute, it will take some time. What I have told, I deleted the
No,
code
sir.
here. Where is that code? I deleted the code, is not present here now. Again, I should type here. Tell me, consider this object only. Tell me what you want me to do.
Sir, if you until you done updation, sir, the elements will present in the displayed in the console, sir. In that elements which you deleted, that will be reflected in every above elements also, sir.
No, it will be reflected, but you are performing. See, this is the object, right? This is my students array. So you are asking like this, 100% it will be reflected. Okay. So go here. I will pass here s is equal to some object I will assign. If you assign this object, okay, you print here console.log s. It will be reflected 100%. Yeah, now it's an object. If you delete, it will be reflected on the above means. So you are performing delete operations after this line now. Okay, you are deleting here. Delete student s dot. Okay, I'll delete department. Department. You are deleting here. Okay, if you delete here, after that line, if you use that object, it will not be there. But once, okay, it's JavaScript is line by line execution, I have told you. So when it comes to this line, the object is present in the memory. The key is present in the memory, okay, inside the object. Yes, when it comes to here, execution, when it comes to here, then it is deleting. After that, if you are trying to use, it will not be there. See, console.log. Yes. So now it will not be there here. It is deleted.
After you updated the value, no, sir, yesterday, Saturday, then it will show in the console of in age something like it age is marks is 420 and next you updated to 580, sir.
Updated one will
if
show
you
now.
updated the values, it will show in the above line also, sir. Console.log of s also, sir.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೇನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಶೋ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೀವು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ಸೋಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕನ್ಸೋಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಅದು?
ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರತ್ತಾನೆ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ
ನೀವು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಒಂದೇ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರಲ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಇದು ನೀವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ UI. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಅದು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ UI. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಹತ್ರನು.
ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಗೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಅದೇ ಇದೆ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ತರ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಏನೋ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
ಸರ್
setting a home, you should show first how it was looking, now how it is looking, right?
ಸರ್
ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಪಿಕ್ಚರಲ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, mute yourself. So okay guys, I'll create one file here. Dynamic actions. Sorry, I'll make this as one line. Dynamic actions.html. So I'll make it as dynamic actions. Dynamic actions. Okay. Okay. So now let me create one more JavaScript file. So that is dynamic actions. Dynamic actions. Okay, .js. Okay, so let me add this JavaScript file first. Okay, script src is equal to /dynamic actions.js. Okay. So now guys, okay, now observe here. Okay. So now what am I going to do here? Okay. So observe here guys. Okay, observe here. I am showing you some dynamic actions, how to perform. Okay. For example, let me add one image here. Okay, let me add one image. So I will add. So let me add one image. I'll go to Pixabay. Concentrate. Okay, Pixabay. Okay, so the girl image, I'll copy image address. So I'll go here. So I don't want this now. So I will terminate it. Okay, I'll make this. Okay, and here I will add this image address, guys. Save this. That. So let me add some height and width to this. Height Okay, 200 px, then width. Okay, so or else I'll pass like this. Okay, so clearly you can understand. I'll pass like this, different attributes. Okay, and width I will pass. I don't want alt now. I'll change it to width 300 px, 300 px. Save this. So now if you observe here, we are getting an image here. Yes. Okay, this is object. So dynamic actions.html, I will pass. Dynamic actions.html. Okay, see, we got one image here. Yes or no? We got one image here, right? So now below this image, guys, I'll create one button. Okay, let me provide two break stats. Break into two. Inside, I'll provide a button called hide button. Then I will provide one more button called show button. Clear? Show button. So my requirement, I want to perform dynamic action. Yes, I want to perform dynamic action here. So how to see? When I click hide button, the image should be hidden. When I click show button, the image should be displayed. Hide, show. How to do this? If you want, you can design and all those things. Okay, hide and show. How to perform this thing? When you click on hide button, the image should be hidden. When you click on show button, the image should be displayed. So now observe here, guys. This is dynamic thing. How to perform? Observe here. I will pass one ID. So my IMG is the ID. So what I am passing, guys? My IMG. Clear? So the image, how to fetch this in JavaScript? So we have to fetch with the help of what, guys? So document dot get element by ID. I have told you. Okay, document dot get element by ID. Then we have used inner HTML or no. So I'll pass here. I'm passing my IMG. Yes. So my IMG is what, guys? My ID. Done. So document dot get element by ID. It is used to fetch the element. Then so whatever the element you want, guys, if you want to fetch means if you want to get that element in JavaScript. So we use which method? Document dot get element by ID. So let me store this, guys. Let me store okay, I'll make this as IMG. Just it's my variable name, guys. IMG is what? IMG is my variable name. So now let me print this console.log. Okay, I will print this IMG. What I'm printing, guys? I'm printing this IMG here. So now you're passing one ID to the image tag. With the help of this ID name is what? IMG. I want to fetch it inside the JavaScript. So JavaScript means what? Dynamic content means you have to use JavaScript, right? So I'm fetching that ID with the help of document dot get element by ID method. So the ID name you should pass. So when you fetch it, it returns the whole tag. Which tag it is returning? The tag which is having my IMG ID. Now in our case, it's IMG. So now the tag will be stored here, okay, inside this IMG, and you're printing this IMG. So if you want, you can check it out. See, refresh here. See, is it printing the whole tag, guys? See, is it printing the whole tag here? Yes or no? Is it printing the whole tag on your console? Yes. Understood how to fetch the tags? Any tag it can be. You have to use the ID, you have to fetch it. See, the whole tag is fetched. So now, how to perform the actions? Observe here. You understood, right? You understood how to fetch the tag. So now let me delete it. I want to show you one more thing. Okay, or else let it be. So I'll cut it. So I will pass function. So hide function I will pass here. So next I will go here console.log. Okay, or else I will paste this. Okay, I'll paste this. Now tell me, guys. So I'm fetching the image tag and I'm printing the image tag. So now tell me why it is not printing on the console. Why it is not printing on the console? The same thing I'm doing, right? Okay. So hidden. What hidden? Okay, simply now you are telling Tejas hidden. See, why? See, the function is not called. Hide is my function. We didn't call the function. That's all. Now call the function. Okay, call the function here. Yes, now call the function. So when I call the function here, then so now it will display the image tag here. It will display the image tag here. Yes, super. So this concept you know, right? So now guys, you fetch the element, you have to hide it through JavaScript. How to hide? Observe here. Okay. Now observe here. Inside this image, img variable is holding the image tag. So I will use this img dot style keyword I will use. Okay. It is a style keyword. You know, right? If you want to apply inline CSS, we use style keyword. Same like that, we are using style keyword in JavaScript. Then style attribute is there, right? Okay. Similar to that, we have style keyword, which is going to add, okay, style inline CSS to JavaScript, which is going to add inline CSS to the image tag. Dot, okay, the property name you have to use. What I will do, the property name I will pass visibility property. So visibility is equal to hidden, I will pass. Visibility is equal to hidden. Okay. Visibility is equal to hidden, I will pass. See, fetch the tag, use the keyword, okay, called style. Then the property name, okay, which property? This is CSS property, but we are using in JavaScript, is equal to the value. So hidden means hide it. So now observe here, okay, after that I will pass console.log image hidden successfully. I will pass here image hidden successfully. Hidden, okay, successfully. So successfully I will pass. Save this guys, save the super. So now observe here guys, okay. So now observe here. So go back. See, the image is not hidden. Why guys? We are hiding, we are fetching the image, and we are hiding it. And okay, the function is also, we are printing image hidden successfully and we are calling the function. Why the image is not hidden now and why it is not displaying image is hidden successfully? Tell me guys. So why means we have not refreshed the page. Okay, it's in HTML. If it is in HTML also, okay. See, if it is in HTML also, we are fetching. If it is in HTML also, Ashok, we are fetching it. Yes or no? Then, so now what I do, guys, observe here. See, so we are fetching this. Why means I didn't refresh the page. That's all. Clear? Don't think much. Okay. See, I didn't refresh the page. See, once I refresh the page, what will happen? The function, okay, see, executed. The image is hidden successfully. Image hidden successfully. Yes or no? Understanding? Image hidden successfully. It's not dynamic action, you know. Is it looking like dynamic action? You're calling the function if the image is hidden. It's not looking like dynamic action. It's not a dynamic action. So now what to do, guys? What to do? So the function you're calling immediately, that is the reason the image is hidden here. Save this. I will not call the function only. So what will happen? Refresh. The image is gone. So now, see guys, instead of calling function like this, so I should call the function, the same function I should call when I click this button, yes or no? Done. Understanding? Instead of calling directly it will hide. So instead of this, when you click on this button, then if I call this function, the image will be hidden. Yes or no? Yes. Correct. When I should call, guys, when I click this button. So when you click, if it is hiding means that is dynamic action, right? So concentrate clearly. So go to that particular hide button. Okay, here I will go. Here I will pass. Okay, there is the event handler, guys, on click. That means when you click, this is the handler. Okay, this is the handler, event handler. Handler means what? Which is handling something. Event means what? A function, guys. Event means what? Function. So this is the function. Event means what? Function. Handler means the person who is handling. So this on click is the event handler, which is going to handle the event. When it is going to handle the event? Only when you click, okay, then only it is going to handle. Which event I want to handle? I want to handle this hide event. Yes or no? I want to handle what, guys? Hide event. Paste it. So what will happen, guys? Now, when you click this hide button, the handler, event handler is going to call this event. What is the event here? Hide. When it calls, it will be called and the logic, whatever you have written, that will be executed. So now save this. Yes or no? See, refresh the page. Observe your console is also empty. Click on this hide. Oh, image is hidden successfully. Yes. Is it dynamic action now? Yes or no? Yes. But observe here, okay? If I click on show, is it working? If I click on show, is it working? No, right? It's not working. If you click on show, right? So what to do? What to do? It's not working here. So again, you create one more function, guys. Same thing, no changes, guys, no changes. Copy this, paste here. Instead of hide, I'll make the function name as show. Then here, instead of hidden, okay, make this as visible. Make this as visible. Clear? Make this as visible. Image displayed successfully. Shown successfully. Okay, I'll pass image shown successfully. Then save this. Save this. See what you should do when you click this button on click event handler, which event you should handle, which event you should call show. Copy this and paste here, guys. Save this. Clear? So now go back here, refresh the page. By default, it is shown. See, hide image hidden successfully. Show image shown successfully. Hide, show, hide, show, hide, show, hide, show. Understanding, guys? Yes or no? So now observe here. One more thing you have to observe. See, in body section, we have image tag. First, I will refresh, guys. Observe here. I will refresh this. Observe. See, do we have any inline CSS inside the body? Sorry, image tag. Do we have any inline CSS? Observe this image tag in okay element section. Do we have any inline CSS, guys? Yes or no? Do we have any inline CSS? Yes or no? Inline CSS I'm asking, not height and width. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಸೌರವ್. Where is inline CSS here? Inline CSS means, you know, right? Style tag should be there. Where it is? It's present here, no, right? Okay. So now what will happen? Observe here. So when you click on hide, hide function will be called. Inside hide function, what you are doing, you are writing some logic. You're fetching that image tag and you're adding on inline CSS to it. This is inline CSS. To which tag you are adding? To image tag, which is having the ID myimg. So dynamically it will be added. Observe here. Okay, right side also you observe here. So when I click on hide, see, added style is equal to visibility hidden. Yes or no? Added, right? Yes. Next, show. See, observe here. What is the value? Visibility value is what? Hidden. When I click show, see, is it adding visible here? Default, by default, it's adding. Okay. Hey, Dayanand, how you will make directly with the help of CSS? Will you call hide button? If you click, it will be executed. How you will do with the help of CSS? Huh? You do and tell me, okay? Only using CSS. Dayanand. Directly you can hide, directly you can display without using the buttons. I am doing with the help of buttons here, okay? I'm not telling anything, okay? I'm asking you if you have any doubts, you let me know anta. Can't hear ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆಗ್ಲೇ. Okay. So no doubts, right? No doubts, right, guys? No doubts. Okay. So now observe here. So, sir, can we do it only with the help of one button? 100% we can do, guys. Can we see how to do with only with the help of one button? When you click hide, the name of the button should be changed to show. When you click show, okay, the image should be displayed as well as okay, like this. Can we do like this? Understanding what I am telling? Single button I will use. Okay, let me zoom in. Single button. When I click hide, the image should be hidden. The button should be, name should be show. Yes. When you click show, the button should be display, image should be displayed. The button name should be changed to hide. Anyone want me to do it? Yes or no? Instead of creating two functions, as concentrate now. Okay. So I don't want two functions, guys. I'll delete. Here only I'll make the function name as hide and show. What is the function name I'm passing? So it can be any name, guys. Hide and show. So delete this. Let it be only one button. So what event I should call, guys? Hide and show I should call. Okay, hide and show I will call here. See, I'll pass hide and show. Clear? Hide and show. So now observe here. Okay, on click hide and show. First, the button name is hide. So now observe here, guys. Save this. So what I do, guys, let me comment this type. Okay, let me comment this, or else let it be like this. I will type something called img. Comment this img dot inner text. What I'm using, guys? Inner text. Yes, inner text I'm getting. So inner text means it will go to that HTML. It will fetch this inner text and it will be displayed. See, I'm printing image dot inner text to save this. So what it is printing, observe here, what it is printing now. As inside the console, let me check here. Okay, I'm not calling the function. Okay, let me directly call the function, guys. Okay, you'll get to know. See, let me check here. Okay, why img. Sorry, I should fetch the button, guys. So see, I'm using img. I need to use button. Okay, let me pass id. id is equal to btn, guys. id is equal to btn. Okay, so fetch this also. Okay, let me fetch how to fetch. So I'll go here. I'll go with img button. Okay, the id name is btn. So I'm fetching this button with the help of this id and storing inside button. So use button, guys, here, not btn. Button. Okay, dot inner text. So observe here, guys, you're calling. What is the inner text, guys? Hide. So refresh the page. See, am I getting hide, guys? Yes. So you change it to show, guys. You change it to show. Okay, you change it to show. You will get show. Inner text as what? Show. Whatever you are passing inner text, it will be displayed. Yes or no? Understanding? Yes. Okay, concentrate now. Okay, concentrate now. See, let it be hide only. I don't want to change it to show. So now observe how to write the logic. You know, if else, simple if else condition you should write. See, guys, what is the first value? Hide. Yes or no? Hide. So now observe here. So let me delete this. I don't want this. So now, guys, observe here. I will go here. I'll go here. If button dot inner text is equal to You can use double equal to also. Yes. So I will pass hide. So if it is hide, guys, so I need to perform some logic. So tell me, guys, if it is hide, if I click on this button, what I should do to this image? It should be hidden, yes or no? Yes, what I should hide? I should hide the image. Yes, so let me hide the image. Hiding the image logic is here. Same thing, fetching the image and performing hide. Done. Understanding? Understanding, guys? So now, after hiding the image, what I should do? I should change the name of this button. Yes or no? I should change the inner text of this button. Clear? So now I will go here. I will use button dot inner text. Okay, is equal to, I will reassign with show value. Show. Done. See, I'm reassigning the inner text with show. So now save this, guys. Save this. Observe here. Okay, so I don't want to call here. So save this. Refresh the page. See, hide. When I click, so image is hidden. Button name is what, guys? Show. Understood this logic? Understood this logic? See, real time where we are using if else, sir. Where we use if condition, here we are using if. Yes. So else guys. So now observe here. So now what I should do? Observe here what I should do. Clear? So else is there, right? Else is there. So if consider. Now, what is the button name, guys? Show. When you click this, show now, this function will be called. Inside this function is inner text is hide. Is inner text is hide now? Is inner text is hide now? Yes or no? No. Yes. So what will happen? Else block. The condition become false. It will go to else block. In else block, you make the visible to visible. Okay. Make hidden to visible. Then change the text name to hide. Assign it to hide. Okay. So save this. Go back to browser. Refresh the page. See, hide. Hide. Button name is show. Show. Image displayed. Button name is hide. Hide. Show. Hide. Show. Hide. Show. If you observe element section here, see, if you observe element section, no inline CSS is present. See, inline CSS added, hide, okay, show, hide, show. So automatically the button name is also changing here. Observe here, the button content is also changing. See, hide, show, hide, show. Understanding, guys, understanding the dynamic things, how it is performing. So there are many things, guys. There are many things. Okay. Many things are there. Clear? So I cannot show only in JavaScript. Okay. So our HR is waiting. Listen to the requirement first, then we'll move to another part. Okay. So where is I need to unmute him. Vignesh. Yeah, Vignesh, announce.
And it's note down the company name. Company name called Helical IT Solution. HELICAL Helical IT Solutions. 10, 12, 70% and above. 70% and above 10, 12. Degree masters 60% and above. BTech, MSc, MC, MTech. React JS plus web completed candidates. Okay. So for you people still React JS not started. Okay. Even web is pursuing. So again the same requirement they'll be asking on HTML, CSS basics like that. So at that time you can register. Okay. Interview rounds online. Job location Hyderabad. Package 2.4 LPA. Okay. So that's it for this day. Okay. So that's it, sir.
Thank you. So, okay, guys. So now observe here, okay. You understood this one, right? So this is simple, okay, actions. So now I want to change the image, guys. Okay, let me comment this, okay. Let me comment this function. So later you go to GitHub and download it. So I'll comment this also. So now I will add one more image here. Okay, and comment this. So I commented. So I will add one more image here, same image. So toggle is nothing but that only what I am doing here. Hide and show, no. Toggling means changing the things, that's all. Consider if a switch is turned on, turn it off, turned off, turn it on, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. Toggling means changing the things, that's all. Clear? Okay, so now observe here, guys. So I need to change the image, change, okay. Let me pass all the things, same thing, okay. What I do? I need to add different image. So observe here, guys. So let me change image. The function name I'll make it as change image. Change image. Clear? So small c, change image. Observe here. So now I'll copy here, change. The button name I'll make it as change. So same thing, guys. I'll go here. Okay, I'll go here. I'll create one function. Okay, the function name is change. Done. So let me fetch the image tag files. So same ID, image and btn I'm fetching. Observe here. I'll fetch this. Okay, done. Super. See, I'm fetching the same. That is the reason I have commented the same ID and same image I'm fetching. Clear? So now observe here, guys. Observe here. Console.log img.src. So img.src means what? Img is holding the image. Which image? This image. Yes or no? This image. So src, img.src means src attribute. So it returns the string value, whatever the src is holding. If you want, observe here, guys. Save this. Save this. See, it returns the src attributes value, whatever it is holding. So go here, refresh the page. Go to console. Okay. Let me click this change. See, is it returning this string value? Yes or no? Yes. So now to change the image, very simple. What you have to do? Go to Pixabay. Okay. So I'll add this image, copy image address. See, here, when you call the function, just what you have to do, guys. What you have to do? Just pass img.src is equal to reassign the src value. That's all. Understanding? By default, src value is what? This one. S. Now, reassign the src value. That's all. See, src value are reassigning. Understanding? Yes or no? If you want, okay. See, if you want, I will write here. Okay, observe here, concentrate everyone. Here, I will pass, okay, console.log before changing image, okay, before changing image, I'm printing src value. Yes or no? So see, src value. Next, same thing after changing the image. So here I will go. Here I will print after changing the image. After changing the image, I'm printing the src value. Clear? So line by line. First it will come. Okay, it will print actual src value. It will fetch this image, the actual src value. Done. So next, okay, what you are doing? You are reassigning the src value here. Yes or no? You are reassigning the src value. Then You are reassigning the SRC value here. So after changing SRC image. So now observe here, save this, go back. Okay, where it is here. Refresh the page. See, when I call, okay, see, before changing the SRC value, what is the image name, guys? Okay, see, 7398340 JPJ. Here, 9873, the number you observe here. Cheetah's image it is. It is girl image. Understanding? It is cheetahs, it is girls. Understanding? The image change here? Yes or no? So if you click again, what is happening? Nothing is happening. The same image is assigning always. Yes or no? So now here also you can use if else. Change means you can click, again you can call girl image also. How to call? Observe here. See, this value, whatever I have here, SRC, this one I will copy. I will declare one variable called girl is equal to, I'll paste here. Okay, I'll paste. This is girl URL. Remember. Next, let cheetah. So I'll pass here. Cheetah, okay, is equal to the cheetah's URL I will assign. Remember, okay, the cheetah's URL I am assigning. Just I'm storing, guys. This much big I don't want to use. That is the reason. So now observe here. Okay, now observe here. Clear? So now concentrate here. Okay, concentrate. So before changing, okay, I don't want this now. Before changing, after changing, you understood this one. Then, so I don't want this also, guys. Now I need to check. First condition, I need to check if, see, tell me, is IMG SRC having the girl URL? Yes or no? She is having girl image? S? Girl URL? S. So I will check. I am storing inside the girl. Yes or no? I am storing that URL inside the girl. I will pass if img dot src is equal to okay, girl is equal to girl. Yes, if it is girl, I want to change it to what? I want to change img src into img dot src is equal to, I'll make it as what? Cheetah. I need to assign what, guys? Cheetah. Simple if else condition, guys. Okay, save this. Go back, refresh the page. See, changed. Yes or no? But still it is not working. Yes or no? Why means just it's checking if, okay, if condition. Let me change here. Else. So I will assign again img src to girl, guys. Img dot src is equal to girl. I will pass. Understanding? See. Now, which image we have, guys? Cheetah's image. When you click on change, it will go. Is img.src is equal to girl? No. So condition become false. It will go. It will assign it to girl. Save this. Refresh the page. See, we have change. Clear? Understanding, guys? So like this dynamically, okay, we use all this stuff on the web pages. So I'll give 2 minutes. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Next, we will change how to change the background color of the web page. Okay, so dynamically. we have multiple images, we should apply if else concept for every image or only first and last image to return it first. Amir Hamza, you use for loop concept, okay? You will get loop it, then add the images, okay? You can do. Aram say you can do. Sir, can we use next for more images and to select that image? Yeah, we can do. But we have, okay, JavaScript functions. Bootstrap jQuery functions. We don't go behind JavaScript. It will take too much of time to write the code. Last batch I have done, they didn't understand also. Last batch I have done. Clear? So that's the reason we have, okay, in Bootstrap class, if I conduct, I will show you. Next, you will be having. They have used jQuery directly. Why we have to write this much of code if we have frameworks? Clear? Okay, other than any doubts? Okay, guys, I need to move the element now. When I click the button, I need to move the element. Okay, observe here. So what am I supposed to do? Okay, so let me comment this. So observe here, guys. So function, I will create function. The function name, I'll make it as move. So observe here. So I'll go here. Consider the image only, guys. Okay, so consider this image only. I don't want to go with any other thing. And I'll comment this first. And I'll call here function name as move. Function name as move. Then, so now observe here. When I click this button move to some particular place, okay, it should move. It should be moved. Okay, so observe here. So now close the console, guys. Close the console. And here I'll provide some break tag, break into 2. See, guys, concentrate now. When I click this, the button name to move, I will change here, move. See, when I click on this move, guys, okay, when I click on this move, the image should be moved to some place. So observe here, okay, the image should be moved to some place. So what I should do, first you need to fetch the image. To fetch the image, we have, okay, image document.getElement by ID. The ID is what, guys? img. Then, so now observe here, guys. I will pass img dot style dot okay css text, guys. So I want to apply multiple properties. See, if you pass like this, visibility, okay, if you pass visibility, okay, is equal to, okay, you can pass hidden like this. See, you can pass hidden. I want to apply one more properties are border and all those things. Again, you should use what? img style, then the property name you should use like this, img dot style dot, then you have to apply what? Border, like this. For one property, one time you have to write separately, differently. So it will increase your code. So what we do, guys, we don't go with like this. We go with img dot style dot css text. CSS text is equal to, now you pass however you want. Okay. So for example, I will use backticks, guys, now. So backticks I have told you, right? So we can represent the string in the form of backticks also. So why this is important, guys? See, if it is a normal string, consider I'm passing. So I'll pass here, sir, I want to apply border, or else I want to apply transform property, sir. Transform. Okay. So here I will pass translate transform. I will tell you what it is. Transform. So translate. Just translate means to move the property, guys. So from the left, okay, I want to move 120px. So observe here. Let me check whether it is working or not, guys. Save this. Go back. Refresh. Yes, is it moving, guys? Is it moving? Yes or no? It's moving, yes or no? Translate means what? To move the element. To move the element. So 120 px, I am moving, okay, from the left side. Okay, second argument, if you pass, that is from the top, guys. If you pass the 20 or else 200 px, from the top, it will move 200 px. Is it moving? So I want to move only from the left side. That is the reason I'm going only first argument. See, like this, you can pass. So consider I want to pass one more property, semicolon. See, it is throwing an error here. So if you observe here, save this, refresh the page. See, nothing is happening. Why means it's throwing an error. See, the line you are getting here. See, unterminated string literal. So whenever you use double quotes or single quotes, you cannot line, okay, you cannot write multi-line string, guys. Remember, you can't able to write multi-line strings. But in the case of, okay, backticks, you can write multi-line strings. That is okay, one advantage of this backticks. See, you will get, okay, output. Now it works. See, even if it is in next line, the another backticks, it is working. Then, okay, I'm passing transform, translate. Okay, why it's not moving? It should work, guys. It should work, okay. So let me pass border colon, so 2px solid, okay, red. It's done, semicolon. Okay, let me check the backtick. I'll place inside the same line, guys. This CSS property, it is not working, I think so. Okay, the backticks is not working for the CSS properties, guys. You use double quotes only. But remember, the backticks advantage is to create multi-line string. Remember. So observe here. Hey, wait, what happened? CSS text transform colon 128px. Okay. Wait, guys, let me check once. Border. I'm pressing move button. So what I was doing, just I was refreshing, right? Just I was refreshing. Okay, sorry. Let me call this now like this. I thought I called the function, okay. Yes, it's working, guys. See, if you use double quotes here, it will not work. 100% it will not work. Remove this here. So instead of this, you pass double quotes here. Okay. See, it will not work. See, you are getting error here. See, you are getting error. So error you can see easily in console. See, you can see in console the error. See, you are getting error. But if you use the same thing, okay, instead of this, if you use backticks, see, if you use backticks here, you will not get error. Okay, see, you are not getting error. So this thing you should remember why we use backticks. Okay, see, observe your move. Is it moving, guys? Yes or no? Is it moving? So consider you are passing 320px. It's going to 320px. See, move. Then, so I need to rotate also, sir. Rotate, then remove. So or else I want to rotate it, then I need to move. So translate, you can move, guys. I will use here rotate first, okay, or else yeah, rotate property. So to rotate it to 180 degree, guys, 180 degree. I will make this as what? 180 degree. Then DEG. So it is going to rotate the element now. See, observe here. See, it's rotated. Then if you want, sir, I want, okay, so I want to change the image direction, sir. 360, I will pass 360, or else not 360, I'll change it to 90. Observe here, guys. So this is my actual image, guys. So image direction is changed 90. Then, so now if you want, okay, sir, 180, 270, or else 360, I will pass 360. Now observe here. So this is my actual image, guys. Rotate it. Okay, same image. 360 is same, right? Then understanding. So make this as 45. Okay, it will rotate for 45 degrees. See, 45. So whatever you want, you can rotate it. See, 45 degrees, it's rotated. Yeah, you can set the rotation type. I have given you, right, something called transition properties. Everything you have to apply here. Clear? You have to use transition property and all those things. Clear? So let me pass 270, 270. Okay, see, this is 270. Like this, you can rotate, guys. Okay. Understanding this. Whatever you want, you can move. Just what you have to do, you should remember CSS properties perfectly. Add this into JavaScript. It will work. Simple, same thing I'm doing. Okay, just I'm changing the properties. Understood this one? Yes, guys. So IMG should move slowly. Can we do like that? Yes, you can do. That's what I have told you, no? Use transition Kavestri. I have shown you transition property, right? Add a transition. Okay, let me add a transition. You have to hover also. Okay, then a transition. Here I'll pass. What I'm transition? Rotate, transform, right? Or else I'll make this as all dot. Okay, linear. All dot or else 2s. So let me check, guys. Let me check this. Save this. Okay, observe here. Rotating, right? So don't tell me I didn't. All means everything I'm passing. If you don't want all, just you can pass transform also. It works. Don't tell me, sir, you didn't teach transition property and all. Okay, I have told you. I will use that all. You see, if you want 360 degree, okay, if you want 180 degree, observe here, 180 degree. See, slowly it will rotate the image. Then if you want 360, you pass 360 here, it works again, 360. Now here you can see how it is rotating properly, 360. See, observe here. Understanding. Little bit slowly you want, little bit, see, changing, it's changing, right? Little bit slowly you want, go here, okay? So increase the time, that's all, 4. Then, yeah, you can loop it. Sir, I want to rotate, okay, X. On X-axis, I want to rotate, sir. You pass rotate X. See, observe here now. Then, so Y-axis, sir. Okay, let me make this as 180 degree, guys. It displays properly, see. Rotate X. Done, guys. So if you want to rotate Y, so it rotates, it changes the direction of the image now. Observe here. Rotate Y. See, you do whatever you want, guys. You should know CSS properties to use. Okay. Understanding this. Understanding. So, okay, guys. So we will meet, okay, tomorrow. So you can do whatever you want with. That's what I'm telling. You can do whatever you want with this. So I'll update in GitHub, guys. Tomorrow we will meet. Okay. So same tomorrow. Please join at 12:30. Tomorrow one day. Okay. I'll take some extra class, half an hour extra if possible. Not half an hour extra, till 2 o'clock I will take, guys. From 12:30. Join at sharp 12:30. I won't, okay? 1.5 hour class tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm doing form validation. For that form validation, guys, you should remember these things, okay? Document.getElement ID, if else conditions, okay? Functions, the event handlers, all these things, whatever I have used today, tomorrow you should remember, guys. You should remember, and I will teach you how to validate the forms. Clear? Understanding this? So I'll give an assignment to you guys, okay? So create, okay, one button. Create one button. Simple button, guys. Consider the button we have. The button name is, okay, dark. When you click on that button dark, so the background color should be changed. The background color of body should be changed to black. And the button name should be changed to, okay, light. When you click on light, okay, when you click on light, the background color should be white, the button name should be dark. Understanding what I am telling? Yes or no? Understood, right? Okay, please try to do that, okay? Try to do that. This is assignment, okay? Try to do that assignment. Very easy. Okay, or else wait, I will show you 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, I will show you. Okay, I paused my screen. So what I do here? Okay, let me comment this. Okay, here I'll pass one button, dark. Wait, guys, I will show you here. Okay, color. If document dot body so left body. So is my screen visible, guys? I have one button called dark here. Is it visible to you guys? Yes. Yes or no? See, the button name is what, guys? Dark. So when you click on this dark, see the background of the body should be dark color. See, black color. So the button name is also changed to light. Yes or no? The button name is also changed to light. Click on this light. It should be white color again. See, this is only toggling. See how it is working, yes or no? Dynamic only, yes or no? Clear? So do this assignment, guys. So, okay, I have one more class at 2 o'clock. See, guys, if you want, guys, from next Monday, okay, if you are interested, I'm starting the React.js batch, guys. Clear? So if you are interested, you can join that batch. If you are interested, you can interact with Bindu. Clear? The fees is 5,000 rupees for JSPED students. So, okay, guys, bye-bye. So we will meet tomorrow. And note down the doubts, whatever you have in today's session. Tomorrow you can ask me before starting the session. So then I will continue, guys. Clear? So bye-bye. So React.js 25 days. Bye-bye, guys.